Alright guys, this is the current deadbolt lock I have right now. It's kind of like an electronic one. It's got a combination code you enter and it will power unlock for you. It's motorized. This is the inside. And today I'm going to be installing these on my back doors. I've got two back doors out here. See how they auto lock afterwards? I like that feature. So this Amazon Basics deadbolt electronic lock works in the same way, except for it doesn't have these little rubber buttons right here. It's like a glass modern surface, and they're a little bit darker finish, dark oil bronze finish. So I'm going to just show you here. I've got that door as well as another door right here. So you might want something like this for your back door or patio door. We like it because we come out here back and forth all the time to take the doggies out, and we don't want to bring our key ring out here with us. So no keys needed for this, right? I just lock the keys in my safe, and I only need them if I sell the house down the road. But see, if you touch this face here, it lights up in a blue color. It might look green on the screen there, but it's actually a blue color. You enter in your lock code and the unlock symbol here, and it will motorize power unlock for you. So I'm going to do a quick removal of this one. I'm going to go ahead and remove that and then just show you the installation and go over the quick programming of it, of the new Amazon Basics deadbolt lock afterwards. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, this is what you get in the box. Really thick instruction manual. It's got the English section in the front there. And you've got your programming instructions here after you get this hardware installed. This is your main electronic deadbolt lock unit. Nice and sleek, right? Very nice. Here's the inside portion. This is the outside keypad. Slide that off. That's your battery compartment there. And you get this one box here with your other hardware and your keys. So let's get this installed. It says up on here with the arrow up, so that's how it goes in. Make sure that's seated all the way there. First thing you want to do is mount your mounting plate on the inside of the door with these kind of facing outwards from the door, protruding outward. Put this on the front side here. Don't do what I did. Make sure you get this wire through here. Fish this wire down through the bottom, right down here. While keeping this straight up and down like that. Just like that, guys. Our mounting plate goes on like this. Now put this wire through that rectangle slot right there. See, like that? And make sure the this pin is coming through the middle circle there. You got to make sure you get these in there without cross threading them. Try to get it in there with your fingers first, if possible. I think that might be it. Let's see. I need a fatter screwdriver. Now, once you start getting these tight, you want to make sure this is lined up straight as well. You might want to get a level. I can tell because of my my paint lines right here. I can kind of eyeball it and then check this other side as well. We're good there. We'll go ahead and snug these up. Now, it recommends to go ahead and drill a hole through here. I don't think I need that hole. I didn't need it on my other one, and it's sturdy enough with just these two screws right here. See, it wants you to drill a hole right here in the instructions, but I'm not going to do it in my case. Alright guys, on the next step in the instructions, it's asking you, is this door a left or right hinge door? And if you look at it like this from the front of your lock right here, the hinges are on the left side right here. Left side opening out. So that means this is a left hinge door. So what the instructions say to do is find on the back of this board here, there's a little switch right here, and it says it's set on R right now. R is on the green board behind it, and an L is on this side. So I got to switch this over. Right there, I switched it over that way. Now it's set for left-hand door hinges. And then also, if it's a left-hand door hinge, they say to have this locking lever right here, like this, in the horizontal position, not vertical. When you put it into that pin there, and you put it into here, this slot right here. So first you want to plug it in. Try to get this mini plug in here. I just take my screwdriver and just press in both ends. Make sure it's seated well. Okay, we've got it seated. Make sure this knob is horizontal right here, and push that wire in there while lining up that pin. And then there's two screws that go in up here. two little countersunk head screws right here. See, so I just put those screws right in here, right in the battery compartment, one on each side, and then snug them up. Now there's one more screw right here. It's a bronze colored screw. Long one like this. Alright, we're in, guys. Now we got the two screws that got to go on our striker plate right here. Let's just make sure it works. Nice and easy, guys. Look how I can just flip that out like that. Really smooth. I'm going to actually try it. Try to lock it. Kind of tight there. Okay, now it's not too tight. Okay, time to put the batteries in. Now, time to program it. Okay guys, it's all installed. I need to do a little touch-up paint here. Of course, this whole door needs to be redone, touched up, so good timing. And the inside as well. But, I mean, look how modern this thing is. I believe the code, default code is 1234. Let's see. First we'll do lock. Hit that lock symbol. Oh, I didn't have it shut all the way. Let's try that. Okay, let's try 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the first time you touch the screen, it doesn't beep. The first touch is to wake up the screen, and then you continue on with your code. Now, I believe the default is 1, 2, 3, 4, so let's try it. First touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unlock. It's unlocked. Let's lock it. Now I'm getting that red light. That's because it's tight in here. I'm going to have to try to fix that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unlock. Okay. So let me try to align this up better. This striker plate here. Might be because this door is not latched up here properly. Alright guys, we're going to go over some programming code first. The first thing you need to do, it's got a master program code. And whoever has that master program code can actually reprogram and put in their own codes into this lock system. So you don't want the default program code in here, so you got to change that first. If you don't change that, somebody familiar with this lock or these types of locks, they'll know the default program code and they can just program their own code and get into your door or into my back porch door in my case. So that's the first important step, and that is right here. Programming tips first. Changing programming code right here by my finger, and that's the instructions for it. So your default program code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to change that default program code right now. Now I can't show you this because I got to put my own code in here, but I'll just let you hear the beeps. I'll go ahead and do this. Okay, let me try again. Okay. Okay, I got my own program code in there now. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in a combination code so we can use it around the house here. So that's right here, adding user codes right here. These are the instructions in case you lost your book. And then right below that is deleting program codes or user codes. There's the instructions in case you lost your book. Alright guys? So I'm going to do this, add a user, and put my first combination code in. Got it guys, all done. Now let's lock it up. It is locked. Now it's locked. Okay guys, now I'm going to see if it works. Ah shoot, hit too many buttons there. Okay, wake it up. Guys, it works. Well guys, one more thing. There's an automatic lock feature. I love this about these locks. Here's the instructions to do that. I'm going to set that up as well. You can set it to auto lock. Where does it say? Between 20 and 900 seconds after the door is locked, or after the door is shut or opened. Right there. 20 to 900 seconds. Follow these instructions, really easy, and then when you're done, open the door after, I'm going to set mine for 40 seconds, and then that will auto lock after 40 seconds. So this lock is like under $70. It's well worth it. It's very stylish, simple to install, simple to program, and you can program in like codes for your remodelers or installers that are in for the day, and then you can easily delete those after they're done with the project around your house. So guys, do you think you're going to get one of these? The last one I got, the one I showed you before with the little rubber buttons, that one I think was like $90. So I'm happy to see that for under $70 I can get this ultra sleek modern one that lights up with the glass face. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.